In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a triple bond. So from the last video, I kept the double bond that I used to make formaldehyde. And I'm going to take that apart because I'm going to need these two flexible long bonds. I'll just leave these other atoms here. When making a double bond, we use two of these. We attached one at a time. So we're going to start by doing that. There's one. And there's two. These bonds, even the gray ones, allow you to rotate the bonds as much as you need. So it's very easy to do that. And then we need to do this a third time. So it is a little bit more difficult to get this one, but still the plastic allows you to do that. You would not be able to do this with the black versions that have the harder plastic. So you could spin this around very easily. But 1, 2, 3, there's your triple bond. Again, it doesn't look exactly like the three lines, straight lines that we draw on paper, but this functions as a way to make a triple bond. So this is acetylene C2H2. You wouldn't be able to do this with oxygen because oxygen can only form two bonds in its neutral state, but there is an atom that you can use to make a triple bond that's not another carbon. So I'm going to take this apart and grab one of those, and it's one of your blue atoms, that's nitrogen. So nitrogen is happy to form three bonds. And there's a carbon-nitrogen triple bond. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a medium-sized bond, attach it to a carbon, and then I'm going to fill all the bonding spaces on that N carbon with hydrogen. And so this is CH3CN. This is acetonitrile. It's a very common solvent in organic chemistry and one that we will use in a couple of different reactions. But this is what it would look like if you were to make the structure. So now we can use single bonds. We've made double molecules with double bonds and now molecules with triple bonds. So those are all the types of bonds that you can use. And in this case, we also have a lone pair on this nitrogen, so we don't put anything there. So another simple video to show you how to do triple bonds. We still have a couple of other particular situations that I want to make a video on, so stay tuned for the next one.